Welcome back friends to another video by Smartest Blogger, and in this video I am going to tell you how to add an background color for your heading or a paragraph. So let's get started. Before that, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel Smartest Blogger and hit the bell icon to get all the notifications time to time. So, in our last video, we have seen how to add a background image to our whole page, and in this video, we are going to add a background image for our only heading or only paragraph section. So, in the last video, we have created a page like this. Now, we will add some background images. So, I will open my VS Code. First of all, I will delete some of the heading tags which I have created. So I will save it. After saving this, we will get page like this. So here we will give a background color to this paragraph and this heading. So for giving the background color, you want to add only a background color tag. So in the style section of our paragraph, here I will create a background color. After choosing background color, I will choose that cream. I will save it. And now refresh this page. So here you can see a line of a cream color is mentioned here. I will create a new one. You want to write a paragraph tag. After that, write whatever you want to mention in the paragraph. Now I will save it. After saving, this paragraph will be mentioned here. We will add some style. For adding style, you want to remember that you want to create a inline CSS. In the P tag, you want to add some space and type style. After typing it, here you can see the many options. I will choose first background color. I will choose that blue and save it. So here you can see the background color has been changed. So I will change some font family. I will save it. After refreshing page, you can see.
So friends, if you like this trick, then like this video and share it with your friends for knowing them about the HTML language, and subscribe our YouTube channel for getting the further knowledge about HTML and CSS. Thank you for watching this whole video. Jai Hind, Jai Maharashtra.